Hey, this is Kyle Swicegood inviting you to a huge auction that we're having. Precision Machine and Welding is going out of business, and we are having a total liquidation of their plant. We are going to have approximately 1,000 lots. This is going to be an online-only auction. You'll be able to go to www.readytobid.com to place your bid. If you have any questions, give us a call at 336-751-4444. We've got some great items like this Piranha 200-ton press brake, this vertical Dual bandsaw, we've got an engine lathe and an Inco engine lathe. A surface grinder. A Wilden horizontal milling machine with digital readout. A vertical drill press. Various broaches, many unused. We've got various tooling, end mills, roughing mills. We expect to have close to 1,000 lots. A 175-ton, 14-foot press brake. Various welding machines. A Cummins diesel test engine. Spot welders, a punch press, a pneumatic engine lathe, we've got loads of scrap metal segregated by plates and sizes. Various rounds and a Caterpillar forklift. Be sure and visit us at www.readytobid.com. We're going to be using BidSpotter as our bidding platform. If you have any questions, give us a call, 336-751-4444.